Okay.
Okay, thanks. Hi, good evening, good afternoon. My name is Angelica Penaranda and environmental chemistry. My presentation name is synthesis of chromeno 4,3-B quinolines truth in imine formation aza-Diels-Alder aromatization tandem reaction under metal catalyst and photosensitive free condition in their in vitro antiviral activity. My partners are Janet Brand, Liliana Betancourt, Carlos Puerto, and Vladimir Kornisov. Representants the Laboratorio de Química Orgánica y Biomolecular at Universidad Industrial de Santander. Okay, the chromeno 4,3-B quinolines have emerging is an important class of tetracycle cyclic O and M heterocycles composed because of their broad biological activities. Particularly is the chromenoquinolines skeleton is found in a variety of the potential bioactivity entities, such as beta-selective estrogen ligands, anti-tumor agent, and anti-inflammatory derivatives. Imagined as composed. Furthermore, due to their fluorescence properties, some chromeno 4,3-B quinolines analogous composed 4 and 5 have been used in fluorescent probes to study cell permeability and leaf cell imaging of thiols and amino acids. Okay, owing to their biological and fluorescence properties, synthetic and medical chemists are focusing their effort in developing easy to handle and practical protocols for the scientists of substitute chromeno 4,3-B quinolines approved such as the aza-Diels-Alder aromatization, the tandem aza-Diels-Alder halogenation and the oxidating arylation cyclation tandem reaction catalysis by copper catalysis have been reported for the construction the chromenoquinolines derivatives. You can see the scheme. Tandem reaction, I will define a sequential process with multiple chemical steps occurs one after another without the need of external intervention for the formation the multiple bonds, and a single operation have become a useful and important strategic to the construct complex organic molecules of great interesting to the scientists in both academia and industry. Thus, in continuation for our studies of the imine Diels-Alder and the Povarov reaction, we report in improved not toxic transition metal free molecular iodine, DNCO catalysis tandem reaction between aryl amines and O-cinnamyloxy salicylaldehydes of synthesize aryl chromeno 4,3B quinolines. The result is we initiating our work study the optimal reaction condition for the synthesis of T-aryl 6H chromeno 4,3B quinolines, selecting for methoxyaniline and aza-Diels-Alder as model substrate, using the radical cations salts TBPA as catalytic. And this the table this entry, the entry 2.5 is this report. We then focused our efforts in explore the individual reactivity and oxidizing agent. This here we have emergent as a sustainable oxidant for both laboratory and industrial application, because it is inexpensive, really available and easy to handle at small and large scale. You can see here the table in entry 9, this report. Yield percent is 69. Finally, envisioning that the tandem reaction for the synthesis of chromeno 4,3B quinolines is governed of 3 key steps, where the first 2 is imine formation and the imine-Diels-Alder cycloadization required the catalysis of meal Lewis acid with Lewis acid, while the final aromatization step needing in oxidizing medium. We turned our attention to the molecular iodine DNSO system. We have recently emerging as an effective and eco-friendly oxidating system of organic chemistry. You can see here the table entry 3, this report. Yield percent is here. We optimize condition in hand. We then examine the scope and general application of substitute anilines and cinnamyloxy-benzidals to give the series of aryl chromenoquinolines derivative. You can see here the compose and report. Antiviral profile of the synthesized compounds were studied again infected Vero CCL 18.1 cell with the Zika virus. To compose substitute with electro-white group on the quinoline mode were identified as the most promising agent by exhibition and inhibitory activity in comparison to the control rivalry. You can see compose, to compose present activity, antiviral Zika virus. In conclusion, we have successful developing and simple, efficient, and environmental friendly immune formation aza-Diels-Alder aromatization tandem reaction for the synthesis of aryl chromeno 4,3b quinolines from easily available aniline to cinnamyloxybenzidals. Under mild condition, the reaction tolerate a great range of functional group and working well in the presence of molecular iodine, DMSO. Considering the scarce existing protocols and the expensive metal and photochemical catalysis employed so far to the access of the heterocycle sister, the present methodology we can be considered is a practical, applicable, and environmentally benign approach for the synthesis chromenoquinolines and antiviral activity of the prepared derivative were fully assessed, identifying some leading structure for the further design and developing of biological activity composed both of the aryl chromenoquinolines core, which is currently the main objective of our laboratory, and the result will be reported in due course. And we thanks the Colombian Institute of Science and Research under the project number this. Thanks in collaboration Universidad Industrial de Santander and Universidad